The Shared Island Initiative is about bringing people across this island together to shape a shared future. It's about listening, engaging and moving forward with the ideas and opportunities that will make life better for everyone living on this island. By working together on things that concern us all, like healthcare, education, economic recovery and climate action.
This year we have invigorated key north-south infrastructure projects that have been talked about for decades, such as the Ulster Canal and the Narrow Water Bridge. A major new north-south research programme is now underway also, creating new and exciting partnerships between researchers, education institutions and research communities to deepen our understanding, our innovation and knowledge base on an island-wide basis.
The Shared Island Dialogue Series has brought together more than 1,000 people and organisations from all corners of the island, together to listen, to engage, to work with each other, to try and find ways to better achieve common goals together, north and south. A comprehensive research agenda with the ESRI, the National Economic and Social Council and the Irish Research Council, among many others, is actively supporting and informing how we shape our work in the time ahead. And the revised National Development Plan sets out a significant increase in funding, a package north and south, investment with over 3.5 billion committed over the next 10 years.
And we plan to do more. We will roll out a new generation of all-island projects to improve connectivity, increase prosperity, invest in higher quality research and higher education, and to better tackle the climate and biodiversity challenges that we are facing as an island. With our partners in the Northern Ireland Executive, UK Government, European Union and local authorities, we will work to deliver strategic investments for the whole island, including an all-island greenway network, enhanced rail links, cross-border electric vehicle charging networks, increased support for enterprise development and further and higher education opportunities.
At the very heart of the Shared Island Initiative is our commitment to work with all communities on this island, to improve our lived experience and connections, and build a shared future founded on the Good Friday Agreement. There are almost 7 million people living on this island. Let's keep moving forward, working together to address the challenges, exploring the opportunities and realising the potential of truly sharing this place we call home.